Yo, what's going on, guys? No excuses here, man. So listen, we got a special little episode or a little video for you guys today. When I go out and I talk to people in the everyday population, right? When I go out and I talk to people in the everyday population, the thing that they tell me that they want to do, the number one thing that I hear is, well, I want to have a cleaning company. Well, I want to have a cleaning company. I want to clean something, okay? Easy business. Easy business. Not knocking them for it. I love it. Love the idea. But when I go up to people and I'm like, hey man, you don't look happy here, bro. What do you actually want to do? And they say, hey, I want to have a cleaning company. Oh, okay, great, bro. Well, you work at Walmart, you know, why you're not doing it? All the materials that you need are right here inside of Walmart for you to be able to do that. Oh, I don't have enough time, and my kids, and I'm working 30 hours a week already and I'm tired and blah, blah, blah. We already know what those are, excuses. So what I've done is, you know, I'm about the action. We about the action in the No Excuses podcast. So check this out. I went and I seeked out a job just to see how easy it would be, okay? See how easy it would be to have a little cleaning company, all right? So this is exactly what happened. I got a contract to clean this place. This is a 1,200 square foot condo in a very nice neighborhood within the city that I live, okay? Thought you were gonna get me there. No, 1,200 square foot condo, 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bath, nice living area, nice kitchen. You see the kitchen, that's where we're at right now, nice kitchen. We got a separate linen closet and a 2-car garage in the back as well. Plenty of closet space, nice place, fireplace here, hardwood floors, and there's no carpet anywhere in the place. Nice cabinets, just, you know, basic white cabinets. Marble countertops. We got contracted out to clean this place through a realty company that is gonna sell the place, and this is how I got it. They needed somebody to come and clean this place quick. At No Excuses Podcast, we don't make no excuses. We can clean it quick, no problem. They needed someone to get this done by Monday. Now, just so you guys know, this weekend, the place where I live had a big, I won't say big because I know a lot of you live in the north. I live in the south, but we had a lot of snow for the south. Got about 5 inches of snow and ice. Nobody on the roads was moving. I was making phone calls. Chilling at the house with the wife, making phone calls. Got this phone call. They needed this done by Monday. It's Sunday night. It's 10:20 on Sunday night. They need this done by Monday. Hey, can you do it by Monday? Of course we can do it by Monday. Of course we can do it by Monday. You know who I am? You know who this is? You know who this is, bro? Come on, we can do it by Monday, no problem. I go to the house, I come here. I scope it out, I give them a price, $300. $300, right? So I just wanted to see what my initial investment was gonna be. It's just me, you know, it's just me here. So I went to Walmart and I picked up some stuff. And I'm gonna tell you the total of everything we got. I'm gonna show you what we got. Real simple stuff. So, first thing, pond saw. Need I say more, bro? You gotta have that. For the floors, you know what I'm saying? Second thing, Lysol, all-purpose cleaner. It's for everything, right? It's for everything. Then we picked up Windex. Come on, man, come on. So next, toilet bowl cleaner, hydrogen peroxide toilet bowl cleaner. This is what I use in my house, so I figured it'd be good for here. Next thing, we got 6, count them, 6 microfiber rags. There's 2 in each bundle. I got them in different colors. They're gonna be used for different things, okay? Real simple. Next, got a duster. Okay, we got a duster, you know, little, you know what I'm saying? Come on, man. Then squeegee for the windows so we can get that good squeegee at, get that good squeegee. Okay, all right. Next. Toilet bowl scrubber, bro. Come on, man. Some of y'all nasty. Y'all don't have a toilet bowl scrubber. Get a toilet bowl scrubber. Sponges. Pack of 4 sponges, okay? 10-quart bucket. 10-quart bucket, all right? So we got, and then microfiber mop. That's the arsenal, okay? That's the arsenal. So for all this is everything that we need in order to clean the house, as well as a broom and a dustpan, but I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, broom and dustpan, for a whopping total of $62.36. $62.36 for all of this over here. For all of this. $300 to clean the place. Let's get work. Let's get working. Come on. All right, you guys. So as far as this house goes, if you don't know how to clean really well, you don't need to know how to clean very well. I know some of y'all are going to use it as an excuse inside of the comment section to say, well, I'm not a very good cleaner. Man, you don't need to be a good cleaner. You just clean it. You know what clean looks like. You're an adult. Like, grow up, bro. You know what clean looks like. As long as it looks clean and it is clean, you will get paid. It is very simple. You need to be going to property management companies and calling them. You need to be going to realtors and asking them, hey, who owns condos in the area? Like, do you know anybody that owns any condos? And they might give you the names of the people that own the condos. You're going to have to call around. You're going to have to talk to people in order to get this kind of work. Like, you need to be trying to go for unoccupied residences, okay? You see how there's no furniture in here? It's empty. That'll make it a lot easier for you to rapid fire these and make money, okay? If you're gonna have somebody come and help you, you need to charge for that, okay? If you're gonna have 2 people there, you need to be charging between $50 to $75 per man per hour. That means if you have 1 person there, it's $75 an hour. If you have 2 people there, it's $150 an hour. 75 times 2 is 150. See the math? So you clean every room, every crevice, and make sure that the person that's moving in there isn't going to have any complaints or have anything to say, okay? Now, for you people that are out there that are going to say, well, I don't have time to do it. I work 40 hours a week. Yeah, boo-hoo, bro. Like, I'm here at 12 midnight doing this on a Sunday, okay? Y'all have got to be willing to do different things. If you will do different things, you will probably end up getting different results. And if you're watching my content, I would assume that either your life is going fairly well or it's not going the way that you really want it to go. And if it's not going the way you want it to go and you're still doing the same things, then you're not really putting in the work to change it. I understand that you think you don't have time because you work 40 hours a week. Just take 2 to 4 hours, 2 to 3 times a week and come and do this. You have an extra 10 hours a week to clean some houses and make some money. Let's say you clean 3 houses and it takes you 10 hours, okay? If you charge $300 per house, that's $900, okay? That's $90 an hour. Most of y'all will never make $90 an hour. That's really, really good. If you take that $900 and you invest it in yourself, that's great. If you take that $900 and you spend it on your kid, that's great, you know? But if you take that $900 that you're making in that week and you do it 4 times, that $900 just turned into $3,600. That's your rent payment for 2 months for some of you guys, you know? So you have to think of it in a longevity term, and you're going to have to put some work in order to make this stuff happen. But the fruits of it are going to be so great that when you actually see the money and you see the results, you're really, really going to understand and appreciate what I'm telling you. You can do this. I know some of you guys have been told, or some of you guys have never been told that you're good at anything. Just because you've never been told that you're good at anything doesn't mean that you're not good at anything, okay? Get out there and try some stuff. Learn some new skills, man. Like, really get out there and try to put yourself on the marketplace and be a high income earner with a high income skill. okay? Some of you guys need to be going to trade schools, but you're not. Like, regardless of that, I mean, I'm cleaning every crevice of this place, countertops, bathrooms, the tubs, the showers, the toilets, all of that stuff. Probably should have been wearing gloves, but I didn't. It is what it is. I really wanted to do this to show you guys that it can be done, and I'm doing it by myself, you know, easy peasy, 1,200 square foot. And that's what you guys need to be staying in the realm of. You need to be you really need to be 1,500 square foot or below doing this by yourself. If you got more than that, you need another person in there to help you. But, man, this is really something that you guys can do to really earn some money extra on top of your income. Will you be tired? Maybe you won't be tired. I don't know. But will it be worth it? Absolutely it will be. Okay, absolutely. And then if you really get good at it and you start making more doing this than you are at work, then you can start doing this full time and start writing contracts to do this and make it a full-time business, working for yourself, you know? There's nothing more liberating, nothing more that feels better than working for yourself and doing well, okay? I want everybody to be able to feel that. I know everybody isn't going to feel it, but I'd want everybody to feel it and know what it feels like, even if it's just for a little bit, you know? So I really encourage you guys to try this. If you have any questions or anything, you can send me an email at NoExcuses. Actually, it's N as in Nancy, E as in Echo, podcastofficial@gmail.com. So that's NE podcastofficial@gmail.com. You can shoot me any questions that you might have, and I'd be willing to help out anybody that sends me an email. It's absolutely free, costs you nothing. Yeah, just come in and talk to me, and I'll be more than happy to help you out with anything that any questions that you have. All right, guys. So far, 1 hour's gone by. I started cleaning at 10:30ish. It's 11:45 now. I've gotten a ton done. Just me, one-man crew. All the floors are swept, including the garage. All the bathrooms are clean, okay? The only thing that we have left is to clean this kitchen and mop all the floors. Once we clean the kitchen and mop all the floors, we'll be done. We'll pack up, we'll head out of here, and we'll do a little recap as far as the costs and revenue and how much I made on the job as far as hours is concerned. And I'll be telling you what you should probably charge if you were doing this kind of work and you wanted to have employees and make it into a business. So let's clean the kitchen and let's get going. All right, guys, so I don't like to sugarcoat the truth and I don't coddle mediocrity. Okay, the reason that some of you guys aren't successful is not because it's not because you lack opportunity. It's not because you lack the resources or the talent. It's simply because you're lazy, dude. And deep down, you want somebody else to do the hard work for you. Okay, success doesn't show up at your doorstep. Nobody's coming to save you, dude. Like, nobody's gonna give you the life that you dream about. They're not just gonna hand it to you. You're sitting around and you're waiting for that perfect moment and waiting for somebody to swoop in and fix your life. That shit's not happening. Okay? Now, don't get defensive. It's just the real of the real. Are you really putting in the work, or are you just playing busy? Do you want success? What have you sacrificed for it? What have you given up to reach your goals? Success demands sacrifice. It demands discipline. And most of all, it demands action. Remember, the only difference between you and me is I actually went out there and did it. That's it. You can do it too. All right, guys. So it's about 12:20 midnight right now. Everything's done. Floors mopped, floors swept, bathrooms are clean, bathtubs are clean, sinks are clean, kitchen's clean, everything's mopped, toilets are clean, everything's clean, okay? So that means from the time that I started cleaning at about 10:30 to now, it's been about 2 hours, okay? 2 hours. I spent $65, got out here, cleaned this place. I'm probably gonna get a check for $300 tomorrow from the realty company, and they are going to love this place. I cleaned the heck out of this place. So for all of you people out there that said you want to start a cleaning company, okay, here's my advice to you. If you want to have employees, you're probably going to be wanting to charge around the realm of $50 to $75 per man per hour. What that means is, if there's one person here, you're charging $50 to $75 an hour. If there's two people here, you're charging $50 to $75 an hour times two. So you're going to do per person. So if it's me and another guy, that means you're going to be earning, if you're charging $50 to $75 per man per hour, two people, you're going to be earning around the realm of $100 to $150 an hour cleaning stuff. Now, I would try to stick with unoccupied residents. Unoccupied residents. I'd never charge $300 for somebody that where this thing was furnished and people were living here and all that stuff. I'd never charge that. It'd be way more. But for the average person, one person that just want to come in and clean, I think that's a good rate. $50 to $75 per man per hour. Okay. If you're by yourself, probably going to want to charge a little bit more. Probably I'm around the realm of $100 an hour for me. That's just me. But altogether, man, our revenue, excuse me. But altogether, man, our revenue, $300, okay? Costs, we spend $65 on materials. That means, okay, that means that we have got a profit of $235. $235, 2 hours, okay? That's over $100 an hour, guys. I mean, that's $115 an hour. Most of y'all will never earn that. So, I mean, I wouldn't really complain about it. I know there's gonna be people in the comments that are gonna watch the video and they're gonna say, oh, this place isn't clean like it. I can clean better than that. Look, man, everything didn't get recorded. And remember now, that's 2 hours of work with me positioning the camera, getting good shots. Like, it would have been way quicker if I didn't have the camera with me. So, this is something that you can do. I came out and do it. I came out and did it. The only difference between me and you is that I didn't make an excuse. I came out here, I got it done, and I made it happen. What are you gonna do? Tune in next time, man. No excuses, just results. Peace.